Check this day out right here. It's amazing what you can do when some friends come down and help you out. We actually get some work done around here. Got the can of starting fluid. Got most of the motor installed. We might as well at least see if it fires. What do you think?
Yeah. It's been a little while.
It'll work.
About a year.
If not, I'm coming for you. Is your motor.
Ooh, I didn't sell it to you.
3 still counts.
Fair enough, fair enough. Well, it's April. It's been a couple of weeks. It's kind of how I've been working on this thing. Life happens, what can I say? Go check out another YouTube series if you want things to move more quickly at a rapid pace or something with actual progression and instructions and, you know, tool throwing and all that wonderful stuff. This channel ain't it. No shade or nothing. I'm just an idiot and I don't know what I'm doing like those other guys. Working on trucks is like messy. Yeah. Working on trucks is messy. So what this engine come out of, you ask? Well, let's just say I finally made a decision with this truck. Yeah, I know some of you remember this truck. Some of you that follow me on social media, well, you've seen it quite a bit. You know whose truck this is, you know the story. So why has it taken so long? And what are we gonna do? Basically, I couldn't decide what I was gonna do with this truck. Are we gonna static drop it? Are we gonna swap it all to coils? Are we gonna put it back to stock? Are we gonna use it for a parts running truck and, you know, just a shop truck? That's kind of some of all the answers. I'll tell you the rest, but before I do me a favor and make sure to smash that subscribe button. That's what all the cool cats say. Cats that know this truck that used to follow this dude, yeah, that's what they used to say. They probably said something cooler too, like Chi or something, but yeah. Go like, follow, share, subscribe, comment below, right? I had all sorts of plans for this truck. Do we 2J swap it? Do we get it out on the track and do some track days and drift stuff with it? What do we do with this truck? I'd love to know what you guys want to see me do with this truck. So comment below. I came across this engine out of a perfectly good running truck and I decided, you know what? Rather than sit around for me to win the lottery and make a bunch of money and meet the right person that can help me do a swap and everything, why don't we just put a 22 RE back in it and get it running and driving and enjoy this thing? Be happy with it. Quit standing like Forrest Gump and get to work. I gotta clean this mess up. I gotta clean that engine bay. I gotta clean that engine off around the corner. Might as well get to work, right? I need this good running 5-speed to match up with that great 22 RE because, yeah, that's an automatic. Anybody want to buy an automatic? It's for sale. Runs perfectly fine. This 5-speed out of this truck is butter, baby. It shifts so smooth, it's so good. We're just gonna clean it up. Probably throw a new clutch on it, stick it back in the truck. All right, we're a little less messy. I got everything soaking in some degreaser. Time to bust out that pressure washer and get it hooked up and start cleaning. Right, a little bit of the aftermath. I mean, it's not as greasy. It's very wet. It's very wet, but not as greasy. We had a rainstorm last night. It was only got to like, I don't know, 65 or 70 today. It's freezing. I almost had to put pants on. Almost, or a beanie instead. So again, we're gonna use the 5-speed tranny that was in it. She cleaned up pretty okay for a first pass. We're gonna go ahead and get some stronger degreaser, let it soak and give her a good scrub, but today we just kind of needed to clean everything out. So again, automatic transmission is coming off this puppy. We're gonna put the 5-speed on. I tried to be real careful not getting any of this electrical harness wet and all that because we're probably gonna reuse whatever is butchered in this. We're gonna try and save it, but if not, we're just gonna go ahead and just don't worry about this. So if the harness isn't good in this truck, we've got our donor right here. And you know, I probably got some other stuff at home, so we should be able to make it work. Again, just initial degrease, and we'll give it round 2 and round 3 if we have to, but trying not to get all the electricals and stuff too soaked. Just trying to get the first layer of the goo off, you know what I mean? You guys like old school wheels, right? Down below, what do you think of those? Should we keep them on there or should we find something more classic? Pacer 15x8s. I got the caps around here somewhere, I don't know. Hey bro, thanks for doing all the recording of the video on this project.
Whoa. Without
you, we'd have nothing.
I know you ain't talking to me like that.
That's sarcasm, because I haven't been recording shit. These people need content. We haven't recorded anything.
You're not the recording person?
I seriously haven't recorded any of this, Rodney.
I believe you.
You guys want to know what's up? I guess you're just gonna have to keep watching and we'll put a bunch of footage behind this or something because yeah, this motor's going back in, baby. Nobody wants to tune in and watch a couple of jabronis yank an engine out of the same old Toyota, do they? I don't know, they might. Just comment below if we should have been recording more. Oh, that's how you unhook a chain, ladies and gentlemen. You get you a sweet roller. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Work it, work it.
Why didn't you? That would take 3 seconds.
You just gotta put it in. Ready?
Take real long to look up, right?
That's a whole other one. Hold up, where we put it? Over here. I just don't want it to fall in. You'll get. I didn't want it to fall in there.
It's gonna be there, but it's just not gonna.
It's fine.
We got no key.
Like it's not doing nothing. Push the clutch in.
Yeah.
I thought I put your starter on it, but I may have put the old starter on it. The old starter is stuck. You know, Toyota shit.
I mean, it was
Is this recording right now?
We're good, right? Let me shove the wire back in. I want to see what it does off the key.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
To know if we have wire problems or not.
Yeah.
Thanks. It just doesn't.
Thanks.
It just doesn't do it off the key. So, whatever. Small wins, baby. Small wins. You're off the hook. The engine runs.
It cranks.
Oh, okay. He's still on. He's still on then.
I never placed the course before.
Yeah.
I didn't buy it wrecked either. It was already put together.
Day is turned tonight. She still doesn't run, but she's closer. She's closer. I mean, we could flash back to that previous clip where you at least heard it crank. We're good, right? Well, it's April. It's been a couple of weeks. It's kind of how I've been working on this thing. Life happens. What can I say? Pink truck. It's fired up. It's fired up. It's gonna run. I got my fingers crossed, and you guys can't see it, but I promise you, my toes are crossed inside of my shoes too. Because man, this girl's been fighting me, dog. Fighting me. So we're gonna hook some power up. We got some juice in the tank. It's been a long time coming. You guys do me a solid. Go like, go subscribe. Leave a comment down below about how like I'm a hater and everything, and I should like upload more and make longer videos or something. I don't know. There's a lot of comments. Don't read the comments, they say, but I always read the comments. I love you guys. You guys are great. So I appreciate all the new subscribers, all the people dropping comments and taking the times to do so. It's pretty cool. You ever want to holler at me a little bit more in depth because I don't cover a lot of stuff here? Just reach out to me on Instagram and Facebook. Same name, it's Ben Turpak. You can find me. Oh yeah, you know we're gonna hit it with the secret sauce, right? Now for whatever reason, she ain't cranking off the key, so I guess we're gonna have to go underneath. Okay, so she's running poorly, but she's running, and that's the important part. Now, there's still an issue where we put an automatic harness into a manual truck. So I'm thinking there's something I gotta do with the neutral safety switch, or I've gotta pin something or jump something or something to make it work right off the key. There is a check engine light on. I don't know what that's about. We'll have to run through everything a couple of times and check it all out before I commit to what I'm gonna do about those situations. But right now, hey, she fires up. I'm pretty easy on some fresh gas. So I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with that. I mean, hell, I don't even have the throttle cable hooked up, so we're gonna have to do some of that stuff. But small wins, man, small wins. Thanks for sticking with me on this one, guys. How to engine swap your truck in 5 minutes or less. Thanks for watching.
Hey kid.
Little Wednesday night cruise for a special lady, special guy. It's their birthdays, and they put up a little post on Facebook. They were gonna have a get together, a little cruise, a little drag sesh maybe. And that's all you gotta do. If you wanna get guys out in your neighborhood, girls out, like, just make a post and see who shows up. What's that old saying? If you build it, they will come. Well, around Arizona, we show up. At least some of us do. The rest of y'all are on notice. You need to come out next time. This is good stuff right here. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking